Do you think fat loss requires heavy weights and hours in the gym? Think again. Today I'll show you 5 simple, but powerful fat-burning exercises you can do right at home with zero equipment. The biggest mistake beginners make is starting with advanced, complicated workouts. That often leads to injuries and giving up. But the truth is, even the simplest bodyweight moves, done correctly, can melt fat and boost energy. Stick with me till the end, because exercise number 5 might just become your secret weapon for fat loss. Exercise 1: bodyweight squats. Mistake: bending knees forward, stressing joints. Correct: push hips back like sitting on a chair, chest up, back straight. This works your biggest muscles, meaning more calories burned in less time. Exercise 2: push-ups. Mistake: sagging hips or flaring elbows. Correct: keep a straight line from head to knees, elbows tucked at 45 degrees. Build strength while burning fat. Exercise 3: jumping jacks. Mistake: going too slow or not engaging arms. Correct: explosive jumps, arms fully overhead. Simple, effective cardio that ramps up your heart rate instantly. Exercise 4: high knees. Mistake: jogging lazily in place. Correct: drive knees to hip level, pump your arms like sprinting. Fast calorie torch and great for belly fat. Exercise 5: plank hold. Mistake: dropping hips or raising them too high. Correct: keep your body straight, elbows under shoulders, core tight. Analogy: think of your core as the foundation of a skyscraper. If it's weak, everything else falls apart. Strengthens abs, burns fat, and improves posture. And that's it, the 5 best beginner fat loss exercises you can start today. Your challenge: do each exercise for 30 seconds, rest for 15, and repeat the circuit 3 times. That's just 15 minutes a day to kickstart your fat loss journey. Try it now, and comment which exercise challenged you the most. Remember, heroes aren't born in gyms, they're built in everyday consistency. Stay strong, stay motivated, and keep training with JFit Hero.